Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert triple bar in Word. Very easy and simple method to insert triple bar in Word. So firstly need to click on insert and now click on symbol, more symbols, just click on it and now font select normal text and now need to type here this character code 2261. Need to simply type this character code. So very easily you can find this triple bar. Now click on insert to insert this triple bar. Now close it. So this is first method to insert triple bar. You see here this first method, and second method is click on insert and equation, and now here you see this triple bar. So just click on it. In this symbols column you see here triple bar. So this is third method. This is second method, and third method is copy paste. Open your browser and simply search here triple bar symbol, and here you see this symbol. So just select and Control plus C to copy, and now click here, come back to Word, and here need to paste, to Control plus V to paste. And also you can right click and keep text only. So click on it to paste this. So this three method to insert triple bar in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.